Good morning, YouTube. So, this is a little follow-up on my Breville 870XL water filter videos. I just got in a new batch I ordered from Amazon, and these are from Nispira.com. These appear to be the ion exchange resin filters, and these are the ones that I purchased from the same page on Amazon about 6 months ago, and you can see they're definitely different. Apparently there are two different kinds of filters. The Amazon listing that I purchased these off of 6 months ago, I got these that were charcoal water filters, but they were the wrong size, and then I ordered again, and the package says charcoal, but I got the ion exchange resin. The listing page says they're ion exchange filters, but the packaging says charcoal. So the only real way to tell is give your filters a squeeze when you get them. Nice thing with that is you don't even have to open up the packaging. Just give them a squeeze. And if you wanted the ion exchange resin and you got the charcoal filters, it'd probably be a lot easier to return an unopened package for a refund, and then you can probably get a good idea about the size. Okay, so hopefully you can see the length difference on these. So this filter I started at 0, goes up to about 2¼ inches long, and this one here goes to about 1¾ inches long. Roughly a ½ inch difference in length, and then you can also see here we're about 1 inch wide, and that one's about 3/4 inch wide. So there's a significant size difference, and that's what I made my little adapter here. Showed you that in an earlier video. So you can adapt one of these to fit, and in my case I felt the ion exchange filters were probably more beneficial. If I had to pick one or the other, I basically run my water for my coffee machine through an activated carbon filter. The activated carbon filter doesn't remove the hardness from the water, so this way the filter in the machine takes care of the hardness, and my water filter that I filter the water through takes care of the taste. You know, everybody's situation is going to be different. If you have, for instance, water softener for your whole house, you might want to use the carbon filter because you already have soft water. You won't get any benefit from softening the water more, but you might have bad taste in the water that you need to get rid of. So that's why you would pick one or the other filter. You can have one in there, so you might as well pick the filter that's going to give you the most benefit in your situation. Got a couple of options. This is how you can tell. Give them a squeeze, just like the old Charmin commercial. That feels soft like a pillow. This feels like it's full of rocks because it's full of rocks, basically, little carbon granules. This is full of fine beads that feel like it's just fluff. So if it feels like a fluffy pillow, you've got the ion exchange resin. If it feels like it's full of rocks, you've got the activated carbon. That's how you can tell. Nice thing is you should be able to make that determination without opening up the packaging. Just give the filter a squeeze in the plastic bag. If it's not the filter you were expecting, I would get it sent back right away, get it exchanged, and get the right ones. And then when you do find the right ones, you might want to purchase a fair amount of them. So I go through about 6 filters a year. This comes in a bag of 6. So this is 1 year's worth of filters here. You could probably get 4 or 5 of these bags of filters for the price of 1 pack of the Breville filters. So if you want to buy the official Breville filters, by all means you can get those. They are more expensive. I assume they're more predictable. Just wanted to pass on that little tip. If you have a Breville espresso machine, I have the 870 XL Barista Express. I think these filters are used in quite a number of different machines though. Seems like there's at least 2 different materials, and then there's also 2 different sizes, so you have to make sure you get the right size and the right material. You can fix the size problem pretty easily. This worked quite well, but it's with a charcoal filter, and I'd rather have the ion exchange resin. Thought I'd pass that tip on. If you have any comments or questions, put that down below the video description. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends. You can subscribe to my channel for updates, and as always, thanks for watching.